Five pancakes and 3 plates of sausages and scrambled eggs, 2 cups of coffee. We are suited up and we're back on trail. Got a joke for you. It is a dismal day to visit Dismal Falls. But I'm make my dad real proud with that one. I met some hikers up at the top of the spur trail. It's only a 0.3 jaunt down. Not even down really, it's actually quite flat. But they said with all the rain, it has a pretty good flow, so it's kind of worth it. Plus I'm in no real rush. I have like 23 miles of town, and yeah, let's go check out a waterfall. Let's do a side quest. Birds are starting to sing. It's a good sign. Day might be clearing up. I have severe trust issues with their weather breaks on the AT. I feel like I'm not alone. I really want to take my rain gear off because I'm super sweaty. It's really humid. But I am coming up to a blue blaze that I'm going to take. Shaves off about 3 miles of the trail, pops you out to the road near Woods Hole Hostel, if that's your destination today, which is not for me though. But I think I'm gonna keep my rain pants on because I'm not sure how overgrown the trail is. There's not a whole lot of recent comments, and I don't really want to mess with any poison oak, poison ivy, thorns, etc. Literally only minutes have passed and it's raining. See what I mean about trust issues? Just cannot be trusted out here. 7-mile shortcut, Ribble Trail. Let's give it a go. Plenty of water on this alternate. Important feature to look for. It's not overgrown, and it's very well marked. I'm at the crossing of the AT with the Ribble Trail, heading back on the White Blazes, and it only took me an hour, so call that a win. I have a situation. Some of you might know where I'm going with this. I only have 12 miles of town. It is 2 o'clock and I can't check into Angel's Rest till tomorrow. And there's another hostel less than a mile from me right now called Woods Hole. It's like an 1860s log cabin. Very historic spot on the AT. So I think I'm gonna stay there. I mean, why not? I have all day to hang out and have a social experience since I'm still kind of rolling solo. And I get to meet the caretakers of this hostel from, I think, the 80s. And they have food and they serve dinner if you'd like. And yeah, okay, I'm sold. I'm going to Woods Hole. I gotta respect the wishes. They're at full capacity, so I'm gonna move on from Woods Hole and 2.5 miles to Dock Knob Shelter, I think. Some thunder clapping in the distance. Starting to get real dark for 3 o'clock. I have about a mile to the shelter and I'm not soaking wet right now. I like to stay that way. I really want to make it. Oh, I see the privy. Yes, 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 yes. Salvation. Right before I get absolutely soaked. Oh my god. Come on, Skittle. Go, 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 go.
Hey, what do you know? The beach will die by the mile.